Welcome to the Oil and Herbs channel. Today, we're going to talk about slippery elm bark powder and how to use it for various health benefits. Slippery elm bark is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries by indigenous people for its medicinal properties. The bark of the slippery elm tree is dried and ground into a fine powder, which is then used for various purposes. So, let's dive into how to use slippery elm bark powder. Soothes the digestive tract. Slippery elm bark powder is known for its ability to soothe the digestive tract. It can help to reduce inflammation and irritation in the gut, which can alleviate symptoms of conditions like acid reflux, gastritis, and ulcerative colitis. To use slippery elm bark powder for digestive issues, mix 1 teaspoon of the powder with a cup of warm water and drink it before or after meals. Boosts immunity. Slippery elm bark powder can also help to boost your immune system. It contains high levels of antioxidants, which can help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. To use slippery elm bark powder to boost your immunity, mix 1 teaspoon of the powder with a glass of warm water and drink it daily. Relieves sore throat. Slippery elm bark powder can also help to relieve a sore throat. It can soothe the throat and reduce inflammation, which can alleviate symptoms like pain and irritation. To use slippery elm bark powder for a sore throat, mix 1 teaspoon of the powder with a cup of warm water and drink it slowly. Promotes skin health. Slippery elm bark powder can also be used topically to promote skin health. It can soothe and hydrate the skin, which can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To use slippery elm bark powder for skin health, mix 1 teaspoon of the powder with a few drops of water to make a paste. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. So, that's how to use slippery elm bark powder for various health benefits. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.